This is the uncoiler section of our sheet metal forming line with a maximum load capacity of 10 tons. The client is currently processing color-coded sheets. This is the leveling section of our sheet metal forming line. This is our laminating section. Currently, this film is relatively narrow and very stable. This is the result of our lamination process. The surface is very smooth with no bubbles and does not damage the sheet. This is our feeding and cutting bed. This is the result of our cutting, with an error margin within 15 microns. We use the roller line and robotic flipping to minimize scratches on the painted surface. We use a trolley to pull the material and precisely deliver it to the bending stopper position, ensuring bending accuracy without error. Through robotic stacking, we achieve full automation.